Dear viewers, in this video we will have an overview of the various services provided by Amazon Cloud. In the videos to follow in this series we can have a detailed demo on some of those commonly used services. Amazon provides infrastructure such as compute capacity, storage, database, network and content delivery over the Internet as service. Compute services. Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, Amazon EC2, is a web service that provides secure and resizable compute capacity or servers in the cloud. Elastic Cloud Computing, EC2, instances are the virtual computing environments or servers provided by Amazon instead of the physical servers. Amazon Machine Images are available as template for creating instance with pre-configured CPU, memory, storage, OS and networking capacity. Other Amazon services like EBS volumes, network, firewall etc. can be configured for these instances. LAMBDA. AWS LAMBDA is a serverless compute service that lets us run code without provisioning or managing servers, creating workload-aware cluster scaling logic, maintaining event integrations, or managing runtimes. With LAMBDA, we can run code for virtually any type of application or backend service with zero administration. Just upload the code as a zip file or container image. LAMBDA automatically and precisely allocates compute execution power and runs the code based on the incoming request or event, for any scale of traffic. We can set up our code to automatically trigger from over 200 AWS services and SaaS applications or call it directly from any web or mobile app. We can write LAMBDA functions in our favorite language, Node.js, Python, Go, Java, and more, and use both serverless and container tools, such as AWS SAM or Docker CLI, to build, test, and deploy our functions. Batch. AWS Batch enables us to easily and efficiently run batch computing workloads of any scale on AWS using Amazon EC2 and Amazon EC2 Spot. AWS Batch eliminates the need to operate third-party commercial or open-source batch processing solutions. There is no batch software or servers to install or manage. AWS Batch manages all the infrastructure for us, avoiding the complexities of provisioning, managing, monitoring, and scaling our batch computing jobs. Elastic Beanstalk. Amazon Elastic Beanstalk is an easy-to-use service for deploying and scaling web applications and services developed with Java, .NET, PHP, Node.js, Python, Ruby, Go, and Docker on familiar servers such as Apache, Nginx, Passenger, and IIS. Other Amazon compute services are Lightsail, Serverless Application Repository, AWS Outposts, EC2 Image Builder, AWS AppRune. Storage. S3. Amazon Simple Storage Service, Amazon S3, is storage for the Internet. It is designed to make web-scale computing easier. Amazon S3 has a simple web services interface that we can use to store and retrieve any amount of data, at any time, from anywhere on the web. It gives any developer access to the same highly scalable, reliable, fast, and inexpensive data storage infrastructure that Amazon uses to run its own global network of websites. The service aims to maximize benefits of scale and to pass those benefits on to developers. EFS. Amazon Elastic File System, Amazon EFS, provides a simple, serverless, set-and-forget elastic file system for use with AWS cloud services and on-premises resources. It is built to scale on demand to petabytes without disrupting applications, growing and shrinking automatically as we add and remove files, eliminating the need to provision and manage capacity to accommodate growth. Amazon EFS has a simple web services interface that allows us to create and configure file systems quickly and easily. The service manages all the file storage infrastructure for you, meaning that you can avoid the complexity of deploying, patching, and maintaining complex file system configurations. EBS. Amazon Elastic Block Store, Amazon EBS, provides block-level storage volumes for use with EC2 instances. EBS volumes behave like raw, unformatted block devices. You can mount these volumes as devices on your instances. EBS volumes that are attached to an instance are exposed as storage volumes that persist independently from the life of the instance. You can create a file system on top of these volumes, or use them in any way you would use a block device, such as a hard drive. FSx. Amazon FSx provides fully managed third-party file systems with the native compatibility and feature sets for workloads such as Microsoft Windows-based storage, high-performance computing, machine learning, and electronic design automation. Amazon FSx supports two file system types, Lustre and Windows File Server. S3 Glacier. Amazon S3 Glacier provides durable and extremely low-cost storage for infrequently used data with security features for data archiving and backup. Database. RDS. Amazon Relational Database Service, Amazon RDS, is a web service that makes it easier to set up, operate, and scale a relational database in the AWS cloud. It provides cost-efficient, resizable capacity. Amazon RDS currently supports the MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, Oracle, and Microsoft SQL Server DB engines. DynamoDB. Amazon DynamoDB is a fully managed NoSQL database service that provides fast and predictable performance with seamless scalability. Amazon DocumentDB. Amazon DocumentDB, with MongoDB compatibility, is a fast, reliable, and fully managed database service that makes it easy for you to set up, operate, and scale MongoDB-compatible databases. Network and content delivery. Amazon API Gateway. Amazon Route 53. Amazon VPC. AWS VPN. For developer and DevOps toolchain services such as CodeStar, CodeCommit, CodeBuild, AWS Code Artifact, AWS Code Deploy, AWS Code Pipeline. In security, identity, and compliance, our AWS provides services such as Identity and Access Management, Resource Access Manager, AWS Single Sign-On, Certificate Manager, Key Management Service, Cloud HSM, Directory Service, AWS Firewall Manager. Then meet me in the next video. If you have any trouble with any of the course material, please don't hesitate to contact us toptechgurus.com. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel on YouTube for more help with interview preparation. Let's get learning with Top Tech Gurus.